I was called here yesterday by the Archbishop, His Grace Paul Semogerere, and he told me that he had received a call from President Museveni asking him to cancel the Mass. He pleaded with him not to cancel the Mass, explained to him that this is Catholic tradition. He explained to him that we were married here, myself and my husband, in this church, and we were prayed for, and that I came to ask for prayers for him in a period of Lent, and that that's the tradition. He's going to pray for a family intention. He finally relented and said, okay, postpone the Mass. I need to do an investigation because I think it is political. Postpone it for a few days. I will call you back and I will tell you what I find out. So His Grace Archbishop told me that he will wait to hear back from President Museveni after his investigation, and that then he will schedule another time